Do you want to learn all about woodworking for a hobby or even a business? Do you need specific plans that are easy to follow, include pictures, and even detailed materials and cut lists? Take a look at our reviews of the top 2 woodworking programs online. They're plans for everything from gambrel shed plans to run-in shed plans for horses. You won't find Ted's Woodworking on Amazon. Are you looking for beginning wood-turning projects or a Carpentry for Dummies approach? Are you looking specifically for pool shed plans or maybe fine woodworking? Or are you looking for a way to make money from woodworking? Whatever your woodworking goals, you will find information on detailed plans for your projects as well as videos of interest to woodworkers. There are a lot of woodworking plans out there, but we recommend only 2. Ted's Woodworking Plans from Ted Mcgrath Woodworking for over 16,000 woodworking projects, and my shed plans with over 12,000 plans for every style and type of shed you can think of. It's like Woodworking 101 for an online carpentry course. Learn how to become a woodworker starting with beginning wood-turning projects such as small wood projects like boxes and cutting boards and other small woodworking projects, all the way through advanced projects like fine furniture and even all types of sheds and small barn plans and artisan projects. Learn the best tools for woodworking, the best woodworking power tools, and where to get them for the best price. Building furniture for beginners and beginning wood lathe projects may be just what you're looking for. How about carpentry for kids? Woodworking is a great hobby for kids. These are the 2 most popular top-selling woodworking programs with plans on the internet. Ted's Woodworking Plans has been the #1 woodworking course for 5 years straight. Each of these has tons of plans for anything you can imagine. From furniture to toys, boxes to buildings, they've got you covered. You're also covered by a crazy 60-day ironclad money-back guarantee on both Ted's Woodworking and My Shed plans. That's right, 60 days. As mentioned in Ted's Woodworking review and honest customer opinion, there are 16,000 woodworking projects. Ryan's Shed Plans review notes that there are over 12,000 shed and woodworking plans inside. So click the link below this video and learn the details about these top woodworking programs.